In reality, you won't always be at your highest point. You also go through the lowest point in life. Sabi sa Isaiah 40:30, even youth will become weak and tired, and young men will fall in exhaustion. So lahat talaga, kahit kabataan, kahit sino man. Meron po akong good news na gustong sabihin sa inyo today. Ito po yan. Overcoming the lowest point in life is not impossible. Bakit hindi imposible na mabago at mag-change yan, mag-turn around yan? Dahil ito ang pangako ng Panginoon. God can pick you up at your lowest point and get you to the highest point of your life. Dapat hindi lang natin kilala si Lord by name. Dapat kilala natin siya kasi yung trust natin, binibigay natin sa Kanya. By trusting God, you are able to move higher. Hindi sa sariling kakayahan. Not by might, di ba? Nor by power, but by the Spirit. At God can give you power. At ito po ang sabi ng Panginoon, for when I am weak, then I am strong. Sa sitwasyon na down ka, you're in the lowest point of your life. Yung power ni Lord ay perfect combination sa status na meron ka ngayon. So inaamin natin, Lord, mahina ako, hindi ko kaya. Ikaw ang magbibigay ng kalakasan sa akin. God is with you, kapatid. Even in the lowest moments of your life, God is at work and will never leave you, kapatid. Hindi ka iiwan, hindi ka papabayaan ng Panginoon. Amen pa doon? Kasama mo si Lord. Don't be afraid. Don't be discouraged.